Now that you know the conversion between liter and milliliters, so we'll apply the same in some word problems. So the first word problem is Aman had 1 liter of water. On the way, he spilled 520 milliliters of water. So how much water is left with him? So what are the key points in this question? Well, the key point is that he had 1 liter of water and he spilled 520 milliliters. That is, he lost 520 milliliters of water. So we need to calculate how much water is left. So first of all, what do we know about the conversion? We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Now, he spilled 520 milliliters of water, isn't it? So basically this amount needs to be subtracted. So the amount of water with Aman, well, he had 1 liter, that is nothing but 1000 milliliters, because we need to bring both of them into the same unit for calculation. So we converted 1 liter to 1000 milliliters, and we'll subtract 520 milliliters from that because he spilled 520 milliliters. So we have 480 milliliters. So this is the amount which is left with him. Therefore, he has 480 milliliters of water. Now, in the next question, Aman, Bimal and Chetan have 300 milliliters, 500 milliliters and 200 milliliters Sprite with them respectively. They pour all the Sprite into a bowl. How many liters of Sprite is there in the bowl? Now, what are the main points in this question? Well, the figures of 300, 500 and 200, which is the amount of Sprite they had in milliliters. Now, they pour all the Sprite into the bowl. So what we need to calculate is how many liters of Sprite is there in the bowl. So it's very simple. We need to add all the three quantities and then find the final quantity. Now, total Sprite in the bowl, we simply add all the three quantities, that is 300 plus 500 plus 200 milliliters. And how much is that? That is 1000 milliliters. Now, let's see. What is the conversion? Conversion is that 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. So, this is nothing but 1 liter, isn't it? Therefore, 1 liter of Sprite is there in the bowl. Now, in the next question, Arnab does not like milk. So, he gave me 500 milliliters of his glass of milk. Bikash, who is full, also gave me half of his 1000 milliliters glass of milk. So, how much milk do I have? Now again, what are the main points in this question? Well, it is that Arnab gave me 500 milliliters of milk and Bikash gave me half of his 1000 milliliters of milk. So we need to calculate how much milk do I have. So we basically need to add these two amounts. So milk given by Arnab is 500 milliliters, which needs no conversion. Now, in case of Bikash, milk given by Bikash is how much? Did he give me the entire 1000 milliliters? Not really. He gave me half of his 1000 milliliters. So here I need to calculate 1000 by 2 because I was only given half of 1000 milliliters. So 1000 by 2 milliliters is equal to 500 milliliters. So I have two values now. Arnab gave me 500 milliliters and Bikash also gave me 500 milliliters. So now I have 500 plus 500. So how much do I have? I have 1000 milliliters of milk. Again, how much is 1000 milliliters in liters? Well, 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. So I basically have 1 liter of milk. So therefore I have 1 liter of milk. So this is how you can solve any problem of liter to milliliter using this conversion. So you can try more problems of such kind and you can master this conversion by using a very simple conversion rate, that is 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. And when you solve number of questions of this type, you will have complete mastery over such word problems. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.